Welcome to the future of automotive care in Oldham, Manchester. In a world that values convenience, say goodbye to lengthy visits to auto body shops for minor scratches and dents. Thanks to cutting-edge technology, Volksmaster Smart Repairs introduces mobile scratch repair, revolutionising car body repairs with smart technology. SMART, standing for small to medium area repair technology, focuses on specific damaged areas like scratches and dents without the need for extensive panel replacements. It's efficient, cost-effective, and the future of automotive care. Volksmaster Smart Repairs brings the workshop to you with our innovative mobile smart repairs service. Skilled technicians will meet you at your doorstep, whether it's at home, work, or one of our 4 branches. No more leaving your car at a repair shop for an extended period. Here's why you'll love our mobile scratch repair service, on-demand service, schedule repairs at your convenience, minimising disruption to your daily routine. Time saving, we complete repairs on site, getting you back on the road swiftly. Cost effective, smart technology means targeted repairs, reducing overall costs. Our meticulous process includes damage assessment. Experienced technicians assess the damage. Surface preparation, thoroughly clean and prep the damaged area. Scratch filling, use specialized techniques for a seamless blend. Curing, accelerate drying with infrared lamps. Finishing touches, meticulously polish and buff for a showroom quality finish. We use state-of-the-art technology including paintless dent removal for dents and dings, precision color matching and clear coat application for durability and a glossy finish. While our mobile service offers unparalleled convenience, we also have 4 branches for those who prefer a more traditional approach. Quality assurance is at the core of our service. Our technicians undergo rigorous training, ensuring every customer receives service that exceeds expectations. Transparent pricing and quotations provide a clear understanding of repair costs. As technology evolves, so do we. Embrace the future of automotive care with Volksmaster Smart Repairs. Contact us today to schedule a mobile scratch repair appointment and experience the convenience, affordability, and superior results of our smart technology. Your satisfaction is our top priority, where quality meets convenience. Embrace the future with confidence in quality. Excellent, that's a wrap. I'm off for a Vindaloo. Nom nom nom.